Hi and welcome to Council of Nuts. So today I'm going to review Lakshmi Bomb, directed by Raghava Lawrence and starring Akshay Kumar and Kiara Advani. And it's still streaming on Hotstar, so if you haven't seen the film, please go and watch it. And till then, so let's start our review. Lakshmi Bomb is a horror comedy film. The story revolves around a transgender ghost possesses a man, Asif, and that in the meantime will help her to avenge her and her family's death. And this story also deals with the Hindu-Muslim stigma and also the indifferences which we make with the transgenders. If talking about the positives of this film, I will first point out the acting performances of Akshay Kumar and Sharath Kelkar. I'll first come to Sharath Kelkar because Sharath Kelkar had a very short screen time, and yet in that screen time he played a beautiful role, and that those expressions were on point. He played a transgender of the in the film Lakshmi, and it's before death. It's before death of Lakshmi, how she got killed, and those parts were very much well portrayed by Sharath Kelkar. And he always mesmerizes me because I've seen him in many films, and he's a rising star. Like he's in the industry for a long time, but yet not getting that much fame rather. But some of the previous films and in Lakshmi Bomb also, these films, these characters which he plays, this is mesmerizing. And obviously Akshay Kumar always comes up with a new thing, a new role. And yet again, he did a good part in this film, and all the possessing, like Lakshmi Bomb, like possession, that being a man to a transgender and showing how you act as a transgender, that is very difficult for a normal person. But Akshay Kumar and Sharath Kelkar, they both did a good job, and that I think that was the main soul of this film, because in this film there was not much of a story, but this film will always be remembered for this mesmerizing acting. And also the supporting cast like Kiara Advani and Rajesh Sharma, they did a good part, because obviously a film without a good supporting cast, it isn't very much fruitful, right to say. And I would also say the makeup and the costume design, that was fantastic. I really liked it because it actually resembles to the real world and how it goes. But talking about the camera work, it wasn't that much good this time, because I would rather say there were many cuts and you know that like in the film, the people who have seen the film, they can understand or relate to me that when Akshay Kumar was getting, or Asif rather, was getting possessed, there was a transition of his clothes, and that was good. But I think that was a part which was like taking the eye, and there was numerous cut, and that thing I didn't feel well. So if I'm talking about the negatives of the film, the first negative I would say that the main part of the film, which is story, I didn't get a very good vibe of this story, because very honestly saying, this story doesn't hold this part. It should have been much more better story, and I don't know, like I didn't feel that much. Only the comedies, like only the humorous part where someone was putting some statements which are humorous. That's the only thing I think which which will keep the audience to their place, because according to the story goes, it's not that much interesting or that much indulging where a person can relate, or not relate, but a person can actually feel that story. And also the scary part, like it's a horror film, so it needs to be more scary. Like comedy is okay. We have seen there are many films in southern industry also, that there are many films which has comedy and a mixture of horror. But in this film, the horror actually missed very much. If I have sat and seen the full film at one go without getting scared, it means that it doesn't have that hinge of the horror in it, because the comedy overtook that. And also the people who will and who have already seen the film, they can relate to this thing, which I will say that the ending didn't match enough. No, because I didn't find the ending very much engaging, or if they want to do a second part or something like that, then they should be ending that in a that way. And if that's and if it's a standalone movie, so there will be something different. Yeah, it can be a continuing ending, like it has not gone, or it has not passed. That can be done, but I felt that the story was very incomplete and it was not up to the mark. But yet the acting performances were so great and so much good that it took away that this dark light from the story, and they put a good light on the acting, and it made a film better than what we would feel if there wasn't a good acting part. Before ending, I would rather suggest, or rather say my own opinion, that it's a one-time watch movie. You can't see this like again and again. This, and also the fact is it's a 2 hour and a 10 minutes long movie, so you would be needing time to see this movie, and I don't think you will be wasting a second time for this. So if you like our video, please give a thumbs up, and also do write in the comment section how you liked the video and how you have loved the film, or what are the points you disagree or agree with me, and let's discuss in the comments. That's not a big issue. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And we make videos on sports, I mean like cricket, football, and also like this reviews and all the stuffs. So join with us, and till next time, bye.